Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is, let's see, the 4th of October, Tuesday, and the markets had another great day and a follow-through day. They're down a little this evening, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. In the meantime, I'll look at some of the best stocks on the board and some of the better patterns and explosive breakouts. AERC, for example, which is a very popular trading vehicle for us back in June when it exploded from like 2 up to 22. Came all the way down in a falling wedge over a period of the last 4 or 5 months. You can see the breakaway gap today, though, taking out lateral resistance, declining top lines and moving averages. At this point, my target is going to be $8. Up next is AKRO, which popped, exploded in early September from the coil and then broke out. It's been running ever since. In the last 8 days, it's gone from 25 to almost 39, closing at 38.81 there, the high for the move. Some resistance up here near 39, but momentum could carry this into the mid-40s. ATXI with an explosive move as well. In the last few sessions, it's gone from 5.5 to 1688, 1680 high, close 1540, but momentum could carry this a little further. There's some key resistance up near 19. Be careful. CPNG, whenever it swings from here, from the 6-8 week coil and broke out today with a pop of 197 or 11%. I like to look at this one. I think it tested that high up around 21.75 might be happening or coming up. We'll see if it gets through that. Maybe we can do mid-20s. FREY with a nice pop out of a wedge. I believe this would be called a wedge right there. Today's pop, $1.59 or 11%. Volume picked up as well, 3.8 million, sorry. And it's the highest close we've seen in the stock ever. So a new all-time closing high should lead to my next target at 18. Imvt with a spectacular week. In the last 5 or 6 days, it's gone from 4.25 to 9, more than doubling. Today's gain was 25% or $1.66. At resistance, however, I pushed through though. The next target's 11.25. Up next is INBX, which exploded and has now gone from 12.75 to 36 plus in just 2 weeks. To say overbought would be an understatement, but great momentum. Perhaps needs a consolidation pattern over the next couple of weeks to get it set up for a move into the mid to high 40s, potentially. Mara closing above the declining tops line with a pop of $1.80 or 16%. His volume picked up to 22 million plus. Near-term targets 14.75 and 18.5. Rocket Pharmaceuticals with an engulfing bullish day and a strong close, 3.9 million, one of the biggest volumes we've ever seen. Now has a shot at taking out the double top from August. We'll be testing that tomorrow, perhaps at 18.75 range. Next target, 21.22. Rivn popped and broke out with a breakaway gap, 438, nearly 14%. We'll see if there's a follow-through. Your double tops in your next target at 41. This Snti with an explosive move, doubling from 240 to 555, finishing 470 up 220, 88%. This volume was nearly 70 million shares. The stock has a strong momentum but is extended. Tops shifts with a big drop. In March, the stock ran into the 32.80 range. They got it down, folks, to $2 and change, but it's more than tripled since then. Today's high is 760. I finished at 680. Up a mere 353, 108% today. 18 million shares traded. A little momentum could get to 8.25 tomorrow. But that's a look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. And that's it for tonight, folks. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.